Lil Drew. It's a good day, man. Tell them bring the vibes up. Yeah, look. It's a good day, good life, good vibe. Woke up blessed, I ain't even gotta try. Sun out, got my shades in a ride. Feeling like I finally caught my stride. Smiles up, peaceful, mind clear. We ain't stressing nothing around here. Pour up that juice, put it up in the air. Whole squad lit, that joy sincere. Feeling wavy, I'm coasting. Thankful now.
So, ito yung sinedaya. Natural nga talaga siya, oh. Kasi yung water, napaka-natural niya pala talaga. Yung water, lumalabas mismo sa parang bundok or what. Ganda. Siguro ito yung malalim na area. Diving. Parang feeling ko pwede ka ditong matulog muna.
Sir, ikaw bantay dito? Sir, paano pag kailan ba may cottage kami? Kailan ba may cottage kami?
Ang linaw. Dito to sa Laguna. Wow, ang ganda nun dun banda, oh. Ito yung parang pinaka magandang part.